Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the Google traffic mode in the NaviBridge application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the button at the top of the page on the left. And as you can see, the very last setting will be the Google traffic mode. So if you want to enable this, just click on that, and as you can see, the appearance of the map is changed according to that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.